Hi, I'm Ryan the Sash guy for Fenster Components, and welcome to our Quicksash Double-Hung Kit installation video. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is open up our window and release our sashes. So we're going to pull up our sash. We're working with a compression style jam liner, which you would push out on the liner to release the sash and pull it in towards you. Now your sash would be sitting on your balance terminal ends with the sash in a horizontal position. It's going to hold those balances in place, allow you to tilt the sash up from one side and pull it away from the opening. We're going to do the same with the top sash. Pull it down slightly, push out on your jam liner, release it, tilt it in towards you, tilt, and release. We need one very simple tool for this installation, putty knife. Now we have a flange mounted compression jam liner that is simply just locked into the jam pocket with flange tabs on either side of the jam liner. So we are going to work in from one side to release that liner, push it away, and it comes out pretty simply. Kind of work it out of the pocket and slide it out. You would do the same for the other side. Now we would take our new jam liner, sized to fit the opening, and we're going to do the opposite. Start at the top, squeeze it into place. I usually like to get it set on the outside, and then I can use my putty knife to work it back into the pocket. Just like that. And you would do that for both sides. Now, we're simply putting our new sashes right back in the same position. Start with your top sash. Set it on your balance on one side. Work it down till you're resting. You want to rest on top of the terminal ends. So when you raise the sash into place, it will release the tension on those balances and allow you to raise the sash. Same as with the lower. Set the sash into place. Raise it into position. Lock it in. Double check that everything's working nicely. Lock it. And you're finished. Easy peasy.